Hi friends, I am Unnaal. Welcome back to the series UMT Tech Unboxing presented by UMT Unnaal Mudiyum Thozha.
So in this video, we'll see the unboxing of Amazfit GTS smartwatch.
So without wasting any further more time, let's jump into the video.
So without wasting further more time, let's look at the box. Amazfit, and it's written as GTS. So here's the picture of the watch. It has AMOLED display, water resistant to 50 meters, built-in GPS, long battery life, multi-sports modes, lightweight. Now let's unbox. So now let's open the box. So here is the Amazfit GTS. It's so nice, it's looking so nice, moved beautifully. Now let's take out the watch. Now let's see the other things which are inside. There is a charging adapter. So it's magnetic, and this is the user manual. So that's it for the unboxing, friends. Now let's end this video. Let's see the in-depth review in the next video. Thank you for watching, friends. Please subscribe, share and comment.